Devotee asked a question to Swamiji. Maharaj, I am practicing Japa and meditation, but I have not yet acquired any taste for this. Somehow or other I am struggling on. What must I do? Answer by Swamiji. Is it possible to have that taste in the beginning? No. Struggle hard to attain it. Concentrate all your energies on its achievement and never for a moment pay heed to other matters. Apply yourself wholeheartedly to it and to it alone. Onward, onward. Never be satisfied with your present state of mind. Try to create within yourself a burning dissatisfaction. Say to yourself, what progress am I making? Not a bit. Sri Ramakrishna used to say to the Divine Mother, Mother, another day is gone and I have not seen thee. Every night before you go to bed, think for a while how much time you have spent in doing good deeds, how much again in doing useless things, how much time you have utilized in meditation and how much you have wasted in idleness. Make your mind strong through tapasya, that is austerity, and brahmacharya, that is continence. In rich men's houses, they keep a darwan, that is porter, whose duty is to prevent thieves, cows, sheep, etc. from entering the compound. The mind is man's darwan. The stronger the mind becomes, the better. The mind has also been compared to a restive horse. Such a horse generally takes the rider along the wrong. Only he who can hold a tight rein and check the horse can go the right way. Struggle, struggle on. What are you doing? Is everything achieved by the mere wearing of the gerua cloth or by renunciation of hearth and home? What have you realized? Time is flying. Do not waste a single moment. You are thinking, let us first all have yearning, faith and devotion. Then we shall do our sadhana. Is that possible? Can we see the day without the break of dawn? When the Lord comes, love, devotion and faith follow him as his retinue. Real faith cannot be had in the beginning. First realization, then faith. But at first, the sadhaka has to pin his faith, blind faith. It may be to the precepts of his guru or of some great soul. Then only can he advance towards the goal. Do you not know the parable of the oyster as told by Sri Ramakrishna? The oyster floats about on the surface of the sea with its shell wide open, just for a little drop of the Swati rain, that is rain falling when the star Swati is in the ascendant. As soon as it gets a raindrop, it divides down to the ocean bed and there form a fine pearl. Like the oyster, you too should be up and doing and then dive deep into the ocean of meditation. Japa and meditation are impossible unless you transcend the limitation of rajas and tamas. Afterwards, you have to rise even above sattva and attain the high spiritual plane from where there is no return. How difficult is the attainment of a human birth? Yet it is only in the human birth that God realization is possible. Strive hard in this life and reach that state from which you will not have to come back. The mind is to be raised step by step from the gross state to the subtle, then to the causal state, still further to the great cause, and finally to samadhi. Resign yourself fully to the Lord. He is everything. There is nothing besides Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Verily, all this is Brahman. Everything in His and His only. Never be calculating. Is self-surrender possible in a day? When that is achieved, everything is achieved. One must struggle hard for it. Life is eternal. The span of man's life is at most 100 years. Give up the pleasures of these 100 years if you want to enjoy eternal life and with it eternal bliss.